love San Juan. Culturally, the energy, the color, the vibe, the food. At the end of the 1800s, two hurricanes devastated Puerto Rico, and many Puerto Ricans sought to find work elsewhere, some even migrating to Hawaii. The Caribbean is no stranger to hurricanes or tropical storms. But after Hurricane Maria devastated Puerto Rico, instead of having history repeat itself, some Puerto Ricans were determined to stay and rebuild. One of these people is acclaimed chef Maria Grubb. A few years back, I traveled with Tiara and we felt right at home at Chef Maria's restaurant, Gallo Negro.
Hey,
Chef Maria,
how are you?
So Gallo Negro was a creation of Chef Maria and her brother Johnny.
This is Gallo Negro, welcome. I have a few dishes for you guys that I am dying for you guys to try. One of them is based on the stuff that we picked up at the market the other day. Actually, the gandules that you helped shell.
Oh yeah?
So,
the one that I shelled and
Yeah.
that he disappeared on?
Lechon. Pork was calling.
He was busy.
Oh, so busy.
Should we start with a cocktail? I noticed you got huge whiskey collection.
We are a whiskey bar. We started a couple years ago trying to enrich Puerto Rico with some lesser known whiskeys, bourbon, rye. But to be honest with you, down here, just because of how hot it is, people are into more refreshing,
Yes.
food forward, tropical cocktails, if you will.
I'll let you surprise me.
Sounds wonderful. Would you like to be surprised as well?
As long as it has tequila in it.
You want to go tequila? That's not a problem, absolutely. So we switched this up a little bit. This is generally made with gin, but since you're a tequila fan, this is called the Floral Cucumber Collins. Start with muddling a little bit of cucumber into it, tequila, a little bit of lavender simple syrup that we make here. It's fresh lavender from Puerto Rico, and lime juice.
Oh my God, the smell is playing tricks on me right now.
Hers. So you have a red passion flower, vodka base, a little bit of passion fruit juice, lime juice, a touch of Aperol to add a little bit of bitterness and bitter orange, egg white, and a little bit of simple syrup just to balance it out.
Oh, good.
All right.
Can I try yours? Mm-hmm. Wait, whoa, I didn't say you could try mine. Yours is really strong.
But it's not sweet. I love that it's not too sweet.
It's not. It's
So
really
much more
light.
refreshing. All my favorite chefs across the world have always been female chefs. I feel they cook from the heart.
What we have here is my take on arroz con gandules. It's basically the traditional arborio risotto, and then with the local gandules, I do the guisado de gandules from scratch, and then I add the risotto to that. And then we have here the pernil, which is like the meaning of Christmas is pernil in Puerto Rico.
Pernil.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's roasted pork, basically.
So is risotto something that you've kind of learned in your culinary travels along the way?
Yes, Mayalino, very popular kitchen in New York. I was part of the opening team there, and
Nice.
one day
Nick Anderer?
with Nick Ender. That's right. But it was actually his sous chef Hoon who took me to the side and showed me how to make this beautiful risotto. And you know, it's a labor of love. It really is. Okay, so here, when you go out to eat pernil in Puerto Rico, everybody fights over this guy over here. The crackling. Yep, that's the ticket.
I love that style of it.
This is my mom's recipe. Like, there's not a single thing that has been altered about her recipe in this gandule making process. I just make it fancy by adding risotto. Here at Gallo Negro, we do this thing, like, we like to show hospitality to our guests, regulars. People are just having a good time. We want to show them, you know, the love, the Puerto Rico love. And this is the ron de barrilito.
Nothing says I love you like rum.
Absolutely.
We just sip it, right?
No, we shoot it. Well,
Shoot it.
not that much. I'm not the bartender. I'm just a chef. Or maybe that's a chef in me. I don't
Oh, yours
know.
is a lot bigger than mine.
I'm gonna do half of this, by the way.
Sabotage!
I'm okay with this.
I
I'm just starting
can't
soon. Salud. Oh, she went for it. That's awesome.